If I blew it was a person, ngabe lowo muntu igama lakhe uvelephi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 26th to the 28th of February 2024 on Monday. Kwenzo takes matters into his own hands and breaks into his own penthouse. Velephi is starting to run out of money and her friend disappears with the perfume money on Tuesday. Pattern is stand to realize what Sbongile has done when Kwenzo confronted his father for using him. Velephi has a glimmer of hope when Ntombela offers to buy the car. Nelisiwe prepares to meet Mai or Menyi 101 in person and on Wednesday. Amidst Nomalanga's tearful revelation, tension reached a fever pitch when Sbongile storms the penthouse ready to oust Kwenzo. Velephi's triumphant deals with her uncle take a dark turn. Torn by guilty, Mkhize urges to make amend to Nelisiwe. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. If I blew it was